Welcome to this video on network traffic analysis, a key area of blue team fundamentals. Attackers communicate across networks during every phase of an attack. We will explore how network traffic contains valuable evidence of this activity. Network traffic analysis, or NTA, is the process of monitoring and examining communication across networks to identify suspicious activity. Blue teams analyze packets, network flows, and protocol behavior to distinguish normal activity from attacker behavior hidden in everyday traffic. Packet inspection involves analyzing the contents and metadata of network packets to detect threats. Basic inspection looks at headers and metadata, while deep packet inspection, or DPI, analyzes the actual payload, offering critical visibility into system communication. Malicious traffic patterns reveal deviations from the baseline. These include unexpected connections, unusual port usage, and failed authentication attempts indicating brute force attacks. Large encrypted transfers can also be a sign of data exfiltration. Beaconing occurs when a compromised system periodically communicates with an attacker's command and control server. Detecting this heartbeat signal from malware is critical. Look for communication at regular intervals, consistent packet sizes, and repeated destinations. DNS tunneling is a technique used to hide malicious communication inside routine DNS traffic, bypassing firewall inspection. Indicators include unusually long DNS queries, high request volumes, and encoded payloads hidden inside DNS record fields. Lateral movement indicators signal that attackers are moving across the network to reach high-value targets. These include unusual RDP and remote service connections, credential abuse across systems, PowerShell remoting, and abnormal internal traffic like unexpected SMB file sharing. The widespread use of HTTPS and TLS encryption protects users, but also allows attackers to hide malicious communication. Defenders overcome this challenge by using metadata analysis, behavioral patterns detection, and threat intelligence correlation. NTA is a foundational capability for blue team operations. It is essential for society operations, threat hunting, incident response, and forensic analysis, as many advanced threats are discovered through unusual network patterns rather than traditional alerts. Key takeaways from this video include packet inspection, identifying malicious patterns, recognizing beaconing and DNS tunneling, and detecting lateral movement. Up next, we will explore intrusion detection and prevention systems, or IDS/IPS.